Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to do a spotlight on the Kiwi Dollar. So on Wednesday, we are expecting the Reserve Bank of New Zealand to give us their decision on interest rates. So currently, the rate sits on 5.5%, and there is divide between economists if the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is going to start its cutting cycle, as we do have signs that the economy is slowing down and we do have slower than anticipated rate of inflation. So today I want to take a look at a couple of interesting Kiwi pairs and the level that I'm keeping a very close eye on. And I want to start here with Kiwi CAD. And the level that I'm after here on the daily chart is around the 0.83. And we can see we had a couple of touches in and around that level. Now, if I'll go up into the monthly chart, we can see that the monthly chart is in a bit of an uptrend. It's not an amazing uptrend because we do have deeper pullback and a very slight higher high with a lot of rejections of the high and of the lows, but we do still have an uptrend here. If we'll take a look here on the weekly, it's a similar story. So the bigger picture is in an uptrend, but the pullback was quite deep. So we almost pulled back 100% here, and we could see a continuation or another attempt at that 84 level over here. We can see plenty of touches at that level in the past. So coming back into the daily, one thing that I want to point out about this level is that within these spikes that we came up into that level, we actually made a slight lower high. So if we'll take a look here on the 4 hours, we'll see it a bit clearer. So this spike is higher than this, which is higher than this one. So we could see some running out of buyer's momentum. That is why I'm keeping a very close eye on this level. So coming back into the daily, what I'm looking for is either a break and a close above it and then a pullback to test it from above for a continuation of this move, or I'll be looking for a break and clear signs of rejection of that break. Then I'll be actually looking for a push lower toward the previous swing low. So I'm looking at the ways the market might react to this news and to this level. Similar story, I'm looking at Euro Kiwi. Now, with Euro Kiwi, if we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see that we actually broke some significant level on this market. So we broke this area over here, the previous swing higher low, and the level right here, which is in and around the 1.83. So we could see a little bit more of a pullback. It was a strong push that shot from low. So we could see a bit more of some selling coming into this market. Now, if we take a look here on the monthly chart, you can see that we are in an uptrend. Once again, it's not a beautiful uptrend. We've got rejection from the low and rejection from the high, and the pullback was quite deep, but we are still in an uptrend. So looking here on the daily, similar story. What I'm looking for is to see how we react to this area around the 1.8050 area. So it's below these two very important level. Now, if we'll touch this again, or we made a higher low around this area, break and reject, then I'll be looking for a continuation of the move higher. However, if we'll start to consolidate with seller pressure above this level, then I'll be looking for a potential momentum break to the downside. So once again, I'm looking for reaction to significant level of support and resistance on these markets. Next, I want to take a look at Kiwi Dollar. Now, this is a little bit different. So what I'm looking for in this market is for the market to keep on this pullback that it had and come up into this area around the 0.6050. We can see there's been a lot of touches at that level in the past, and it was the breakout level before the last push to this lower low. Now, it is going to be a deeper pullback in the context of the daily, but if we'll take a look here on the weekly, we can see that it brings us back into the averages. Now, what I also like about this area, and we'll just have a look here on the monthly, we can see this a bit clearer, is that when we're looking at these lows, and let's get precise on this low, the low that we printed here is ended with 498, and the low that we've printed here is ending with 520. So we ever so slightly made here a lower low, which is why I'm looking for sellers' reaction to that level of 0.6050. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.